You asked, how to divide 3,874 by 4 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 38. 38 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 38 minus 36 equals 2. Bring down 7, making 27. 27 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 27 minus 24 equals 3. Bring down 4, making 34. 34 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 34 minus 32 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 968 remainder 2.